Two of them Jones, and they're not friendly at all. Ow! Ow! Why you attacking me? Why you attack me? Why you attack me? Why you attack me, baby? Ow! Ow! You thought that was funny, huh? You like attacking me? Shh. Ah! Ow! Ow! That's not funny. You thought that was funny? You attack me? You think it's funny when you attack me? Ow! Ow! It's not funny. Ow! 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 That's not funny. Stop attacking me. Alright, well, that's my one bird. Loves attacking me. That one up there's got some babies. We out of here. 5K Frenchies, Dusters, Exotics, man. You see the birds, this is what's always making noise. They're vicious though, and they love it killing people. Ah, ow! Ow! It's not funny. It's not funny. There go the dogs. Momo. Romy Rome. Romy Rome. There's the dogs right here. Eddie. That's what I do, man. I just be chilling with the fish, the homies. The bird really messed my finger up just now. This cat right here. This cat. All black, bad luck, nasty cat. Yo, these parrots do not breed though. I don't know why.